All right, installing my dome light. So I had to buy a new reflector. So the one I had was completely just disintegrated in my hands. So I got a new reflector base, and then I reused the original wire, cleaned it up a little bit. The wires were a little corroded, but I think it'd be just fine. Um, of course, you got the two screws here that mounts, but I'm not gonna mount it yet. In terms of the wires, so the wire location for the rear in the back, right there, it comes through that hole right there. So that's where it goes in, and then goes down. So got a second right in there, and it should come down at the base, like that, and then plugs in that switch right there, and then up top. So my original had the original push clips that go in. If you have a new one, hopefully it comes with them. So mounts here, wire ones along here, clip here, here, and there. 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 That. And the wire runs in there. And up top. So when I took it off, dumb me, I broke one of the clips. I don't know how or why. But anyway, there's two on the roof. That's what they look like. Okay, here's my broken one. Alright, and they go in and twist. This one goes here, the other one goes right here. So we'll tab, goes in, and just a little bit of turn. That locks in, and the wire, you can see where it's clean right there. Clean spot where it was before. Okay, so it snaps in and then continues like that, and that's it. So just remember, when you install it, it kind of points to the rear. So it's like this, and there's the rear. So I'll also have to find another clip online somewhere. You can see clean spot where it went for, so it's right there. And that's it. So I'll just leave this dangling until I'm ready for the headliner and get a new clip.